Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Story channel. Today, I will tell you a simple English story called Lazy Jack. This story will help you learn English in an easy and fun way. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack. He lived in a small village with his mother. Jack was very lazy. People called him Lazy Jack. His mother worked hard in rich people's houses. She was worried about her son. One day, Jack's mother became sick. She could not go to work. She told Jack, "Please earn something. We need food." Jack wanted to help. He went out to find work. First, a farmer gave him 2 pennies. Jack ran home, but the pennies fell from his hand. He lost them. His mother said, "Next time, put them in your pocket." The next day, a milkman gave Jack a jar of milk. Jack poured the milk into his pocket. His clothes became wet. His mother said, "Oh, Jack, you should carry milk on your head." Another day, Jack worked again. This time, he got a piece of cheese. He carried it on his head, but it was hot, and the cheese melted. His mother said, "Jack, you should carry cheese in your hands." The next day, Jack worked on a farm. He got a little kitten. Jack carried it in his hands, but the kitten ran away. His mother said, "You should tie it with a rope." Later, Jack got some meat as payment. He tied the meat with a rope and dragged it on the ground. The meat got dirty. His mother said, "You should carry it on your shoulder." One day, Jack worked for a week and was given a donkey. He remembered his mother's advice. He put the donkey on his shoulders and walked. People laughed at him. A rich man's daughter laughed for the first time in 5 years. Her father was very happy. He gave Jack and his mother work and a house. From that day, Jack learned to think before he acted. He and his mother lived happily ever after.
Thank you for watching. Did you enjoy the story of Lazy Jack? Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.